lamb loin chops. It's a perfect recipe you can make in your indoor grill. It's awesome, it's tender, it's premium quality lamb chops, or call it lamb T-bone steak. These are the T-bone cut lamb chops, or call it T-bone lamb loin chops. Let's make a delicious marinade. We will cook this recipe in our indoor grill. It's gonna be instant marinade, easy to do. So this is lamb loin chop. Let's take it out from the packet, give it a quick rinse. So I'm using just half of the pack. So these 4 pieces is enough for 1 to 2 people. 2 pounds of the meat of the delicious lamb loin chops. Let's marinate this meat. Start with the meat tenderizer. We will need 1 tablespoon. For the smoky flavor, use wood-fired garlic, or you can use smoky paprika in there as well if you can find this seasoning. 1 tablespoon of it. Steak seasoning. This is salt-free and it's gonna be awesome touch. Just half tablespoon of it. These are dried fenugreek leaves. We will take 1 whole tablespoon of it. Half tablespoon of the black pepper powder. Half tablespoon of the salt. Olive oil for this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 tablespoons of it. Here goes 1 whole lemon. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Let's give it a good rub. Five minutes, just rub the ingredients. All the ingredients should mix it up. All the ingredients should be on top of our delicious lamb loin chops. Look at this, looking beautiful, right? Lamb loin chops are marinated. Let's turn on our indoor grill. So here's the power. Here's the grill. Here's the temperature. We need 510. Here's the time. We need max 10 minutes on it. Turn it on. It's on the grill option. Our grill is ready. Let's open and land our beautiful, delicious lamb loin chops in here. They're looking good. Let's shut the lid, and here we have 10 minutes to go. After 5 minutes, we will do a flip. Have some mint chutney with this and slice some fresh cilantro for the garnishing. It's been 5 minutes. Let's flip our delicious lamb loin chops. Alright, so here is the first flip. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's close it, and we have 5 more minutes to go. Toast some sourdough bread and put some butter on it. Sourdough bread, it goes with this. We'll put some butter on it. So just like that. Alright, 10 minutes are gone. Our delicious lamb loin chops, indoor, smoky flavored. They are ready. This is the moment of truth. Look at the char on it. And look at the meat. Ooh, just by touch. Look at this. Man. Easy to do at home. And it's juicy at the same time. Yum. You have grill marks on it. Meat is super ready. Wow, look at the red meat from the inside. Look at this. You can make at home in 20 minutes of your time. We'll do a taste test. This segment we will be doing taste test. so we all can know the reality of it for this whole recipe. So here's the meat. Let's break it from the fingers. Let's see how is it doing. It's wow, it has the red part from the center. Look at the sides. Look at this meat. It is juicy, and just by light pull you can get this delicious meat out of it. Whoa, this is the whole without biting it, just from the fingers, you know. Meat is tender and perfect. A whole meat, you can pull it from the finger. Here is the bite now. Dip it in the sauce, chutney sauce, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. And here's the bite. Oh, wow. Lamb loin chops, best ever lamb loin chops. It's so tender, delicious Australian grade A lamb loin chops. Do you look okay now? You can make this recipe in 15 minutes of your time. Subscribe the channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video or recipe which you can do at home. This meat, remember, you can put it on this, and this is your bite. Grade A, delicious. Delicious flavors, don't need a lot of time. This is yours. Try it. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy this recipe. Bye bye.